Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and today I'm going to be talking about ways tech is helping humanity. Now, I don't know about you, but I know that tech has gotten a bad rap in some ways. People say it's hurting humanity, whether it's because people are always staring at their smartphones, or because social interaction has definitely decreased in the modern world. Tech has done some not great things to humanity. But it's also cool to take a step back and look at the ways that tech is helping humanity. Number one is health. So modern healthcare is certainly extending lives a lot, whether that's through modern medication or tools such as defibrillators. It is doing a lot to expand the lifespan of humans. Now, even health from a comfort perspective. Take 3D printed insoles, for example. There's a company called Weave that makes 3D printed insoles, and they do a really good job. I know my feet love me a lot more when I wear them, and that's pretty cool. That's something that we couldn't have without technology. So next up is education. You can learn really anything on the internet. This is an amazing resource that we didn't used to have. If you couldn't find it in an encyclopedia or some other book, you'd have to pay a lot of money to go to a school to learn something. Now, you really can learn anything on the internet. Whether it's coding or welding, the possibilities are endless. And that is a huge advantage and another way that tech is helping humanity. So the next one is for entrepreneurs. There is so much potential to start a business thanks to the internet. It's insane. It used to be that if you were selling a product or service, you could only do it locally, or you'd have to go through the pain of getting into retail stores. Now, thanks to the internet, you don't have to do that. You can get your product on sites like Amazon, or you can even fire up your own e-commerce site and just sell direct to consumer. It's a huge opportunity. The possibilities for an entrepreneur are endless, and it's definitely something that has been enabled thanks to technology. Now, number 4 is saving time. So digital assistants like Siri and Google Assistant allow us to save time, whether that's easily adding a reminder to your phone or a calendar event. It's the little things that save time over writing things down on a piece of paper like it used to be. So last but not least, we have collecting feedback. Now, I want to thank the sponsor for this video, which is Survey Sparrow. Survey Sparrow allows you to easily collect customer feedback from your customers for your business. So whether that's, hey, how did I do fulfilling this order? Or how do you like my products and services? Collecting feedback is key. And man, in the old times, what were you gonna do? Like send a paper survey and hope they fill it out and mail it back to you? Now Survey Sparrow makes that very easy thanks to their free plan and affordable premium options. It uses a chat-like format and it's very intuitive. I have a whole video about that over here, and you can also check out the link in the description to sign up for your free account today. Well, anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. That's gonna do it for this video. What are some ways tech is helping humanity that I didn't mention? I'd love to know, so please drop a comment down below. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit the button and click the bell for post notifications because you don't want to miss that. Be sure to check out some of my other videos here. And with that said, I'll catch you guys next time.